Oh, hi. Is it that time again? Take and bake time. That's right. This month we have something super exciting. It took me a while to think of what to make, but eventually I combined my two favorite activities.
Snickering, doodling.
Perfect. To come up with the ultimate take-home dessert, Snickerdoodles.
Okay, let's get this show on the road with 6 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're going to cream those together until they form a nice homogeneous mixture, more or less. And then when that's looking good, we are going to add 2 egg yolks, whites removed, and save for a healthy breakfast omelet, perhaps. Get that nice and incorporated. And then we'll add half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it all together once again. And then we have 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, as well as half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. We'll get it all nice and mixed up and conglomerate into a decent little ball. And then we're going to go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. While your dough is chilling, you can go ahead and make your cinnamon sugar coating with a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of sugar and get that nice and mixed up. And then after 15 minutes, we'll take our beautiful dough out of the fridge, get it nice and ready, and then we're going to cut it into 4 roughly even-sized pieces for our 4 cookies. And then we're going to roll them into a nice little ball, and then using my patented whirly technique, we're going to put them in our cinnamon sugar mixture, get them nice and coated, and then get a baking sheet out. I've got my silicone baking mat. You can also use parchment paper or just some nonstick spray. Put them on there. And then we're going to put them into the center of our 350-degree oven. And you're going to want them in there for about 16 to 18 minutes. I personally like closer to 16 minutes because I enjoy a softer cookie, but if you like them a bit more crunchy, go more for 18. Okay, so after 16 minutes in my case, they're out of the oven, and what I like to do is while they're still warm, I take the leftover sugar cinnamon mixture and slowly pour them on top of the cookies. They're going to be a little soft at the beginning, but then give them a few minutes, and this is what you get, a delicious, crunchy, soft snickerdoodle.